What's up guys, it's me, Rosal, and I haven't made a video since 5 days ago. And so, this is my real house. I did a house tour of mine. Make sure you watch that video. And today is fall, November 2nd. Pretty sure it's November 2nd. And yeah, if you look outside your building or any apartment, you'll see some trees that are colored like red, yellow, green, I don't know. And it's probably a little windy outside. So what we're gonna do today is oh wait, and make sure to subscribe to my cousin's channel. It's right up there. And yeah, let's do this. So what we're gonna do is probably a little wait. Yep, now you guys can see me. So I'm gonna make a tour of, wait, this is you guys right here. What's up? Yep, I'm vlogging on my iPad. And if you play Busum Simulator, subscribe to my channel now. If you like Busum Simulator, even if you have Roblox. So let's get started. And make sure you guys check out my other channels. My first video, my second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. I don't know how many videos I made. So, yep, today is November 2nd. And I forgot to make a video of Halloween. So, I'm so sorry. And I'm gonna room tour. No, not room tour. Upstairs tour. Alright, let's go. So first is my room. Yep, there you guys are. And I sleep here. Probably a little messy. So let's go on ahead outside and wait, I wanted to show you guys outside. Okay. Like, look at this. Look at this, guys. That tree is all red and a little red and yellow. Wow. So that's outside. And I'm going to show you my mom's room. So here's my mom's room. Yep, here it is. That's a closet and also a baby brother. Okay, and this is my room again. So my mom only said to make a video of my room and my mom's room. So, okay. I don't know what else to show you. Ooh. If you guys don't know who Amazon Alexa, I'm not sure you guys can hear me. I'm just gonna mute. Okay. You guys don't know Amazon Alexa, right? You guys don't know. I have her right here. I mute her so. And listen to this. Alexa, make a sound of a duck. Okay, I muted her, so yeah, and that's my room. Again, guys, make sure you guys like my channel, subscribe to my channel, and go down and leave a comment. What else you want me to do? Alright. Peace.